G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Burning sunshine and intense humidity prevail across the Queensland tropics, in stark contrast to the historic rain event unfolding down south. Random monsoonal storms may again break out this weekend, but for the most part, it's just going to be plain and simple hot and sultry. Today's top temps range from 34 degrees in Ayr and Townsville to 38 at Charters Towers. More noteworthy are this morning's high minimum temps, coupled with displeasing humidity. Let's look at the satellite loop now. The focus at the moment is on an upper low pressure system which is responsible for this great big rain mass over the southeastern quarter of Queensland, which has produced phenomenal rain in the last 3 days, in some areas almost up to 1 metre. And I'm just going to have to go back in the records to see the last time that happened. I don't think it's been very often. As we move north, it clears up quickly, but some storms did manage to get to coastal tropical towns today, including Cairns and Mackay, whereas previously they've been mostly inland. Now, on today's chart, on the surface, we have the offshore trough. Notice how it's come over land and it's brought the rain over with. Of course, that's accentuated by this upper low pressure system, which is the main driving force for the heavy rain event in the south. In the tropics, we've just got that wishy-washy monsoonal pattern, hence the heat and humidity. On tomorrow's chart, much the same. Heavy rain again in the south with the offshore trough, monsoonal in the north. On the outlook chart, finally the rain starts to clear, but there's still a low offshore and it's still hot and humid in the tropics. Latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating forecast for Townsville waters, northwest to northeast winds, just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow. That's the monsoon wind. Then we go more easterly on Sunday and virtually no wind at all come Monday. Tomorrow's tides shouldn't be too big in range because we've only just had the neap tide behind us. So we've got a 6:39 a.m. high at Townsville Harbour. Now the Herbert and Lower Burdekin, a mostly sunny day, hot and humid. Townsville 25 tonight, 35 tomorrow. Ayr also 35, Ingham 38 degrees, and the Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, possible storms in the north only. Charters Towers, would you believe, 40 degrees, and Georgetown 36. Looking ahead for Townsville, the equatorial monsoon will dominate well into next week, sending temperatures and humidities high up on the discomfort scale, but storms should hold off until next week. And that's a wrap for this week's weather, almost this month's weather in fact, with only a few days left of summer. Hope you enjoy the weekend, whatever weather it brings, and I hope you come join me next week to do it all over again. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Nice having your company. Enjoy your weekend.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page 7news.com.au. From all of us here, have a great weekend. We'll see you again on Monday.
Good night.